What's good, YouTube and Mission Pegasus family? This is Renzo Chop coming back with another video. As you can see, I'm sitting inside my car, the Lexus GS300. The year of this car is a 98. And I wanted to show you guys, if you can tell by the title, my new wheels / old wheels. I've had these rims for a couple years now. This is my first time putting them on in like a year or so, but the rims have been on the car for like 2 weeks now, so this video has been long overdue. So let me show you guys. All right, so boom, I got 19 by 8.5 in the front with a positive 38 offset, and in the rear I got 19 by 10 with a 40 positive offset. So if I come to the side, as you can see, the wheels don't really poke at all. It's very flush. So I didn't need a spacer and anything for these wheels. The car has been lowered about 2 inches and then raised 1 inch because the tires were rubbing. So originally this car was way lower, but I like the stance it is now. Has like a street car stance to it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. I got these wheels. I didn't get these wheels from Forgiato. I got them from eBay, so I didn't go to a rim shop or anything for these. I got them for a really good price. Aftermarket tail lights, OEM plus steering wheel. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this steering wheel in here belongs to a RX 350, the Lexus SUV. So I swapped the steering wheel with that. Other than that, the car is pretty much stock. My coilovers are TN Flex Z coilovers. So that's the suspension I'm running, if you wanted to know. And yeah, that's so far it to my GS300. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And see you guys next time.